Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security section. In it, tap on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you: pattern, PIN, or complex password. Now you need to create it. Click on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then click on Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Lastly, click on one of those options to pick the best one for notifications on your locked screen. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!